Hello students, let us understand some other poverty alleviation programs. The first one given here is encouragement to organic farming. So we already know that organic farming is the farming without using pesticides and chemicals, growing it quite in a natural habitat, right? So yes, organic farming is going back to nature, having this original products, farm products, and because they have higher nutritive value, they will also have higher monetary value. So children, that's organic farming, and why farmers are encouraged to shift towards organic farming is they can have more money out of the produce that grows in their field. What is done? Helping farmers in registration. First of all, it has a process. If you are growing organically, you will need a certificate, and that's why you will need to get registered. So helping farmers in registration, helping purchasing farm products. Farm products is in the original grains, the natural fertilizers. Soil will be tested, and whatsoever nutrients that are lacking in soil will be replaced by natural fertilizer. Arrangement for training. There is a quite difference in the traditional or maybe the existing agriculture pattern and organic farming pattern. So they will be trained, they will be acknowledged about things that they should take care of. Arrangement of selling market. How they will sell so that they get maximum money out of it. There are some fair or maybe an arrangement where only organic farmers come, elite customers come and buy natural products. It's a win-win situation, people get good food and farmer gets good money out of his produce. The efforts that he has put in, he will get better rewards. Reducing farmers' expenses. So the expenses of farmer will be reduced. How it will be reduced? Because he will not have to buy expensive chemicals, be it fertilizers, be it pesticides, or be it anything else. He will rely more on nature. All the need is that his style will be molded, and that too he will be trained. So this encouragement of organic farming is a win-win condition for government, because the environment is going to be saved, because the farmer is going to get more money out of his hard work, out of his effort, and people will get good food. So it is a sustainable scheme, we can say, sustainable program wherein there is a lot of win-win situation. Next is Chief Minister Village Road Scheme. Now it's village, so obviously it's a rural program, road scheme. So here the roads are going to be made. And Chief Minister, CM, see, it is not Prime Minister, so it's not a national level program, but it will be customized from state to state, and maybe the major funds will come from the Chief Minister's treasury, as in the state government will be more active here. These are the points you need to remember to produce answer for this particular program. Work related to roads will be done. What roads? There are two types of roads, metalled road and non-metalled or unmetalled roads. So what we say, Kacha road and Pakka road. So metal road is also known as all-weather road, as in even in monsoon the road is not going to disappear. Okay, you will have it intact 365 days. So here Chief Minister, as in the state government, is going to help village panchayat. Funds will be given to the sarpanch, to the village panchayat, to make sure that there are good roads in the village. See children, infrastructure is very important. Imagine if there is no road between your home and your dad's office or factory or your school or maybe the hospital you want to go in. If there is no road, how can you connect, right? So villages have this poor infrastructure problem, and infrastructure includes many things, of course, but this particularly talks about the transport angle, about the roads to be made. Looked after by state government, as I said, the name suggests. Construction of toilets. Now, not only roads, it includes the things needed on way. So even the toilets construction is related here. Roads connecting villages and highways. If there will be good transport, all the good things from village, all the people can move towards city. So the roads between village and highway are well connected and they are constructed under this scheme. I hope, children, that you are clear with the organic farming and road scheme. See you in the next class with another poverty alleviation program. Bye bye.